Hello, teachers. It is that time of the year again. We will have our parent teacher conferences on January 20th. It will be a full day and it will be virtual meetings with parents. So we are going to use the Appointlet app again. So we will create that link, and that link will go out on Tuesday, the 18th of January, and the 19th of January. The report cards will go out the Wednesday, and then the Thursday will be parent-teacher conferences. So our conferences will start at 7:30 and end at 3 p.m. The first thing that I want to make sure of is please make sure that your Teams is working and you are logged into your school account. You also want to check that the Office 365, if you are logged in or not, that it is the school account that's logged in. I found a lot, we are sharing, maybe you are sharing your device with a spouse in the house or with your kids that are attending school, and they also use a Microsoft account. So when there are clashes with accounts, problems will arise. So please make sure when you are working on the device that if your Teams account is logged into the school, your Office is logged into the school account, your email is connected to your school account and not your student or not your child's account or your husband or your wife's account. That's also where problems arise. So that's the first thing. Just check that your Teams is working. And then we will go to the Appointlet app. So again, you just open up your Internet Explorer, whatever you're using, and go to the Appointlet app, scheduling made easy. And we log in. You don't create a new username. You already have that. And we used our school accounts. So you will see that your meeting should be finished now. You don't have any meetings. If you just quickly want to check your account, that it is the school's account that is here. Okay. While I'm here at the settings, this is the first thing we can do is if you had any problems with Microsoft Teams or it was not connected, if you go all the way down here to web conferencing, you will see that Microsoft Teams was selected. If you had problems in the past or you're not sure, you can just disconnect here from Microsoft Teams. Okay, deleted Microsoft Teams account. That is fine. Let me just make sure now. Okay. So first thing we do is go to our scheduling page. Now this was our first set of meetings that we arranged with parents, so we can delete that meeting type. If you still have a lot of windows here, like a 60-minute or a 15:30, you can delete all of them, that's fine. What we'll do now is create a new meeting type. So the meeting type name can be parent teacher conference. Your URL is still your grade level, and now it will say parent teacher conferences. You can always change this at a later stage, and you don't check this box, and we say create meeting type. So while I'm at the class, if you want to change that settings, so there is your account, and here is the settings for your URL and so on. So that's the page title. Click one black, and your meeting link here. Okay, and let's go on. So now you can see this is the 30-minute one-to-one conference. We will change that now. So we click inside the box, and our duration will again only be 15 minutes. You can choose your color that you like. Going for a green one. Parent teacher conference, it says. So this is how my link will look like that my parents will click on. If you'd like to be fancy, you can add a picture or an emoji here if you want to do that. Description, we can type in please select Maybe you as a grade level can come up with a message here and everyone will send out the same message. Okay, so that is the general settings that we have, and then we go to location and we'll meet on a web conference. We select that one, and as you saw, I deleted my Microsoft Teams. I know my Microsoft Teams is logged in here, so I will choose Microsoft Teams and I would go, that's one thing, so we'll do that. Host assignments, we don't have to change anything there. The intake form, as we did last time, I will go to availability now, but the intake form, first and last name of the parent and the email address, and we can do a text field and the label will be student's name, and it must be required. Okay, and then we create the field, so we can have that in. Confirmation we can leave like that. Notifications, we don't have to change anything. Scheduling rules is fine, we can leave that as well. No need for payments. Now we will go to availability. We don't select repeats weekly or anything, so we click on date range, and on the date we just select the 20th and you click twice on the 20th, so it doesn't create a range, just the one date, and we apply it. So it's Thursday 20th of January. So time slots will be offered every 15 minutes. If it still says 30 minutes here, you can just customize it here and change it by clicking on use custom frequency, and that's it. Time, you want to make sure that it's Kuwait. You can also edit it here. Users will see the times in their local time zones. That's fine. Now the time available will start at 7:30 a.m. So these times are not negotiable, teachers, and it's not up to you. So please, everyone must follow these times. We will go from 7:30 till 10:30 a.m. And again, this doesn't mean that you will be meeting parents from 7:30 to 10 a.m., 3 hours straight. It just provides the parents with a window where they select their time. So we go to 10:30. Please make sure about the AM. Okay, so 7:30 to 10:30 a.m. Luckily, you don't have to do a 15-minute. It will create it automatically. So this will be from 10:30 till 11 will be your break time. So you will just restart this at 11 a.m. and it will go up until 1:15. So 1:15 p.m. So you will have a break from 1:15 to 1:30. So 1:30 we will start again. 1:30 and we will end at 2:45. Okay, so the parents can select the time anything between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. and then from 11 a.m. to 1:15, and then from 1:30 to about 2:45. So only those three is needed, and you can click Save Changes. Okay, if you want to see how it looks like for parents, how your meeting banner is going to look like, and see maybe if you want to change some things, you can just click on Save and Preview. So when the parents click on your link, it will say choose a time there on top, or whatever you wrote there. We can go and change that also. Here it says, please select the time to meet with me on Microsoft Teams. As I said, this message, you can have a universal one for your grade level. So this will be the time. It's only Thursday. All the times are now showing, and the parents have 26 time slots. Okay. To meet with you. And you want to see that the time 10:32 is the same here. Okay. And that is it that you need to do. And then on Tuesday, you click the share button and you copy the link. Oh, sorry, not there. Here, this meeting. You want to copy the link here. And now you want to go to your Plus portals again. And on Tuesday, we will send out an email. Again, as a grade level, you can type one email out and everyone will just copy paste and you add your link and that goes out to parents. Please let me know if there are any questions or concerns or if you face any difficulties. Thank you so much.